Hello, my name is Jae-min Song, Overseas Marketing Manager of JoyDrone, and we make industrial VTOL UAV. Our products can fly 2 times longer distance and durations than our competitors. It's also VTOL, which means vertical takeoff and landing. So companies can operate it in any condition without flight field or landing area. It also can maintain its signal in 16 kilometers of telecommunication dead spot. We also have various third-party options, such as AI image recognition software. Our business areas are mostly B2B and B2G. So through this event, we like to be connected with related government departments and companies. Thank you very much.